Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. Yes, in this video I want to just say you thanks, nothing else really. I want to say you that thanks. It is all the credits, whatever I have done in this 2022, all the credits goes to you. Without your support, without your help, it was not possible for me. Yes, I never forgot this year 2020. I want to say goodbye 2020 with lots of thanks. I am thankful to this year 2020 and thankful to you because you made this 2020 this much of happy year for me, only for you guys. Now in this channel there is 4K subscriber. In the starting of 2020 really I was concerned about that how I will get 1K subscriber, but with your support I already got that 1K subscriber long back ago, and now there is 4K subscriber. This is only for you, and ultimately with your support the result, the UGC NEET result is very good. I am waiting for the GATE result also. Definitely I am trying to help you all just before the exam. I will try my level best, and this is my website. It is also working fine. It is also the students are helping this website. That was my dream project and this was my dream channel. And finally in Unacademy also I am in a position now, and it is also for you because you all of you know that yes, from March to June I was there. After that there was a break. After that the comeback is possible only for you guys, only for your support. The comeback is possible in November. So just I want to say thank you really. I don't want to say anything really. This is possible only for you. And one thing I want to say, yes, there is some secret of success. Definitely the secret of success is, if you want to know, that is only thing that please, whenever you want to do something, if you are really want to do something from 100% from your heart, that should be come from your heart, not your brain. Anything you want to do, that should be come from your inside, that is your heart. Because whatever you are doing from your brain, somehow there are something missing. But whenever you are trying to do something from your heart, that is you have to do, right? Because when you are feeling love with something, feeling love with someone, then anyhow you will do it. So that love is required. That 100% love is very much required to get the success. You have to love this, and you have to think it, yes, I have to do this. And another thing is that don't think about the profit, about the return, because when your love should be unconditional, there should not be any condition. Those who are thinking about any condition, any return, any profit, ultimately somehow they are the loser. Because whenever you are putting some your effort, you are giving some your time, then don't try to calculate that ki, wow, how much time I am giving and how much return I am getting. Don't think like that. Yes, you love it, that's why you are doing it. Forgot about everything. Just try to do your work with your 100%, and ultimately definitely one day you will get the return. And you know guys, that is one thing that till now you are thinking that yes, my channel is monetized, but I did not get my first payment till now. Till now it is not reached according to the YouTube target, that when I will receive my payment, that payment I did not get till now. But so what, definitely one day I will get. That is the situation. Everyone is thinking that yes, there is so many profit, there is so much money. No, don't think like that. Just do your work, just love your work, and increase your level, effort and everything, then definitely success will be yours. So happy new year 2021 for all of you. you definitely get your success, you definitely reach your target, and ultimately you will be the gainer. Okay, so best wishes for all of you. Happy New Year. Definitely you will achieve and definitely you will get the success. I am waiting for your success and I am there to all of you. I am there to help you all, that if you required any type of help from me, definitely you can mail me in unifiedstudy@gmail.com, and definitely you can catch me live. I am taking the live classes in Unacademy, in Unified Study, everywhere, every day you can take me live. And any other problem you can let me know. Definitely I will try to solve. I will be there with you as you are there with me, so definitely I will be there with you. Okay, bye guys, enjoy this new year and hopefully your success will be yours for this year. Thank you, bye bye.